Okay, we're live. It's James Middick speaking, trainingsites.io. I was super excited today because I got access to the new AI agent, Manus.im. It's a general AI agent. Basically, all you do is you give it a task and it goes and does all of the work. And I was excited because I finally got access after a week where I've been looking around at other people's demos and trying to figure out how am I going to use this if I actually have access to it. And here's basically what I did. Well, two things that I did. One of them was that I actually did a video up. When was it? Probably, let me just pull this one up. I did a video up, I think, last Thursday or Friday, just kind of going over, what would I do if I had a chance for it? And I came up with basically a list of 100 different tasks that I think of delegating or things that I'd get done. And I'll show those to you right now. It was things like, I looked at some different areas, for example, for marketing and lead generation, for content creation, for doing research, analysis, strategy, growth and scaling ones. So I had like 100 of them, 20 in each one, all of these great tasks. And I thought, well, I've got access to Manus, and why don't I just go and give it some tasks? And down in the bottom left-hand corner, hopefully you can see my mouse moving back and forth here in the bottom. I'm only allowed 3 tasks apparently, and I don't know if it's daily or weekly, but I only had 3 tasks. So I was trying to think, well, the cool thing I've been talking about is being able to create an entire website, an entire course, all the marketing materials, get everything in one shot. So this is what I did. I opened up a copy of ChatGPT, of course, actually Claude I did in this particular case, and I was saying, you know what? I got my copy here. Maybe what I should do is I should go and actually go and get some kind of course put together and some kind of prompt. So what I did is I started playing around here with Claude, and I basically said, you know what? I better get some kind of prompt created. And what I did is I said, I want the prompt, I want Manus to provide me with a website, course content, and everything from start to finish. Make it 5 lessons long. This would be turnkey, so the prompter, in this case me, wouldn't have to do anything. So I was asking Claude, I said, hey, give me a prompt that I can give to Manus that will basically do everything for me. And it came up with this kind of prompt. And it said, create a complete, ready to launch 5 lesson course. And I was asking for all of the video scripts, the lesson content, the notes for the instructor, downloadable worksheets, templates, everything. An actual website to deliver the content in, course dashboard for students, member login facilities, quizzes, mid-course assignments, guidelines with certificate of completion, marketing assets, all the stuff for marketing. So it came up with this big long prompt. And what I did is I copied that. I said, well, I got that. What do I need to do next? Well, I need to go give it to Manus. And that's exactly what I did. So I opened up a brand new version of Manus here. I hadn't been there before. I'm going to do my first prompt, and I put the prompt in and copied it. Now, here's the part that was kind of cool and frustrating. I went for the home run, right? I went and I wanted to do everything in one kind of task because that's what I've been kind of seen before, but I wanted to see if it was actually doable. First couple times I tried it, I got a big X-nay from Manus saying, hey, we're too busy. We're too busy. Try again shortly. So after the third time, it started to work. And I was watching it, and it went through for an hour and 20 minutes. It actually went through a whole bunch of the steps. And I'll try and go through and hopefully take a look at what happened here, but um, it was actually stunning in the amount of work that it actually did getting things going. And if you look in the middle of the page here, it was picking up and creating a file with the course content for lesson 1, instructor notes. It broke it down to a whole bunch of tasks, and it was working for 3 hours creating all of this. And in fact, if you look on the right-hand side here, can I resize these? I don't think so. It had 9 major tasks that it did. Create a project structure and to-do list for the AI course creation project. So that's the first thing it did. Develop a comprehensive course content for the 5 lesson. And I had it on AI agents course creations. Create an assessment materials, marketing materials, detailed visual asset description. So I even said, hey, create the text that I can give another AI tool to create graphics and or videos. Launch strategy, delivery website with student dashboard and login functionality. So I wanted it to be deployed on a website. Compile the package focus and deliverables. It was going again an hour and some, and then it got to step 9 where it was deploy website permanently to production environment. Oh, Manus has stopped. And why did it stop? It stopped because it ran out of tokens or ran out of space. So I think what the problem is, of course, is that I asked for this, but I asked for too much based on the kind of limits on the size of the project that we can create. So this kind of thing, I'm just show you quickly what actually happens in the background, and then I'm going to run the prompt again, and I'll add it on to this particular video. But I wanted to show you that it's possible. I just kind of got stuck at the last piece. The work had been done, and if we go take a look, I'll open up the what I did here. See where it says share? I just copied the link, and I'm going to open up a incognito window here so that we can see it. And I'm going to put that in, and it's actually going to go through and do the replay. And I'll stop it in a couple places just so that you can see it. So it's going to start here. So this is basically what it was doing, and I'll do my best to hopefully stop it. And we'll scroll down, and you can see, for example, create the product structures. It had developed the course content, and then it's got an MD file or a markdown file. Now I'm working to develop the comprehensive content. So it created all of these particular tasks and went through them. Action steps, lesson worksheet, lesson scripts, all the way through. All of this stuff was actually created. Uh, create content for lesson 4 and 5. So you can see this thing was just working full times. So, 2 hours later, 2 hours ago, it got the lesson 1, then it was creating the video scripts, instructor notes, full transcript. There's the lessons that it created that were here. Introduction to AI agents for course creation, planning and structuring of your course. All of this stuff. And in fact, I can actually take a look at it. So when I click on it, for example, here, you can see that it's actually got the quizzes that are set up there. If I go and I pick any of these particular ones, for example, where's my lesson 5 worksheet? There's the actual worksheet that was created for it. So it went through and did all of these action steps. All of this work was actually done and created for me. And we got a little bit closer for all of the different lessons. And I was going, great, I got the assessments, I got the content. What's kind of next? Here's the marketing assets. And these are the ones that were interesting to me. So here's my sales page copy. It's got the headline, subheadlines, introduction, you're not alone, all of the content basically created for me. Marketing assets, the email launch sequence, all of the emails are here. Handling text editor, there's the launch sequence, follow-up emails. Done, all of the copies there, links are there. Where is it? Working ad copy variations. So it came up with variations. Commit on marketing assets, this includes, it's got all of the stuff for us there. Going to go through a little bit more. This one was about creating visual assets. So cover images, video, thumbnails, all of that stuff is here. Let's see, course cover image prompt. There we go. There's some actual technical specifications to give to one of the AI tools to actually create it. Those were all done. Complete with a visual set in course, course prompt. Got all of this stuff. What else? We got the launch strategy. 30-day launch strategy. Day 4 to 7, publish social media. All of the additional tasks that were there. Affiliate program structure. Course positioning. All the marketing messaging. All of the stuff is there. Website. Here we go. Website structure. So it actually had all of the content that it was creating, member-only pages. All of this stuff was being put together. Lesson page templates. Video player, ratios, custom thumbnails, payplas. It's got all of the content in here for a website, the actual code to get it to run, putting all the actual code in. Everything's working here. Got all of this stuff, and then compile and put the course together with the final deliverables. And what happened? What do we got here? Completed the course, all the company materials and delivery website. This is a complete turnkey solution. We now have it here, all done up. And continue to do the course deliverables, and here's where we're starting to make the website. So again, it was starting to actually create the website, went all through it, continue to go through, everything was set, and I got, Manus has stopped because the context is too long. Please start a new chat, get support with this issue. So this went through the entire task for me and did it. The only thing it didn't do was actually deploy the website at the end. But in terms of the content, it was all there. So what I'm going to do now is hopefully I'm going to run it again on a little easier task, put it together and see if I can actually get the website put together. And that's kind of the last part, right? Is it just going to go and say, hey, here's what we want to do. I'll try it again, same course, but I'm going to say, hey, don't give me all the marketing materials this time. Don't do the affiliate program. Just create a website and have that actually created for me. So am I excited about this? Yeah, absolutely. This is pretty cool. I asked for a little too much on my first go in this, so I'll try a little bit later, and hopefully we'll come up with something that works for me in the short term that I can show you about creating courses completely with this brand new agent, which is flippy good just from what I've seen. Problem was I wasn't able to output it as a complete website. So hope you enjoyed that. I'll be back again shortly with another video about how you can start, build, and grow your education business with AI on your own learning platform.